I'm Grahame Lynch for CommsDay's Live, and today we're going to be talking about 5G, and specifically the challenges that are still out there for operators that are completing their network deployments. Now, there's a couple of these challenges. One is that as the networks go further and further into the regions and rural and remote parts of Australia and New Zealand, it's more expensive to build them, the population densities are lower. At the same time, more and more different types of spectrum allocations are coming into the fray, and that leads to fragmentation, and that's a challenge in itself. So, to talk about how you can overcome some of these challenges, I'm joined by Scott Vernon. He's the Regional Sales Manager for Australia, New Zealand, and the South Pacific for CommScope. Welcome to the show, Scott.
Thanks, Graham.
So, Scott, let's talk about some of those key challenges I just outlined in regards to deploying 5G networks.
Mobile network operators are racing to add more capacity and coverage in their network. And make architectural changes. These additions mean existing infrastructure, such as towers, are not able to support the new 5G services, and places additional requirements for antennas and radios on top of the tower. These challenges add weight, sail, and wind loading challenges, and let's not forget about the visual aspects. To add additional capacity, mobile operators need a compact solution that addresses their 4G and 5G needs. CommScope's new MOSAIC platform addresses these needs.
So my understanding is that MOSAIC features patented interleaved technology. Tell me about the platform.
It combines 4G and 5G antenna solutions in a single antenna. CommScope's MOSAIC antenna is designed to support various frequency bands used by Australian operators and is available in various lengths depending upon the application. The solution is complementary to our existing product portfolio. What I mean by this, Graham, is that the general public would not notice any difference when our MOSAIC solution is deployed compared to the existing 4G antenna it replaces. CommScope's MOSAIC antenna is a cost-effective and efficient platform that enables operators to deploy 5G services, utilising a combination of active and passive antennas. MOSAIC is designed to replace existing antennas and deliver enhanced capabilities in the same footprint as the antenna it replaces.
So what would you say are the most compelling benefits for telcos from the MOSAIC platform?
First and foremost, the MOSAIC platform is agile, plug-and-play solution. It provides operators with a combination of active and passive solutions as needed, and enables quickly deployment without the need to rezone the site. Secondly, there's the added network flexibility. MOSAIC's solution supports Open RAN and traditional OEM vendors, and supports 32T32R or 64T64R solutions, with the ability to upgrade the site without having to expand the site's footprint. Thirdly, there's the big benefit in reduced total cost of ownership. Thanks to its many deployments and operational efficiencies, MOSAIC installers do not need to re-optimise the network. MOSAIC also reduces incremental network coverage and troubleshooting costs, managing PIM more effectively. Finally, it provides a more visually appealing solution that addresses many of the public's and community's concerns as 5G services are deployed and the coverage extend.
Tell me about the most common use cases for MOSAIC.
The MOSAIC platform is ideally suited where there is limited space on top of a tower, where there is only a single pole and you will require 4G and 5G services. MOSAIC fits and is an ideal solution for single sector applications such as these. Then there's a requirement where there is, you're no longer able to do vertical stacking of 4G and 5G services on the same pole. With MOSAIC solution, this can all be stuck on the same pole, eliminating that challenges. Finally, where existing infrastructure may be old or outdated, the cost to upgrade the infrastructure to support the new 5G services is greater than the expected ROI. However, by deploying CommScope's MOSAIC solution, the ROI changes, delivering a positive outcome.
And I understand that MOSAIC is radio agnostic. What does that mean?
It works with traditional OEMs as well as Open RAN vendors. For traditional OEMs, CommScope MOSAIC solution offers a fully customised solution to support current 5G spectrum, as well as flexible passive antenna configurations to match mobile networks and operators' needs. For those manufacturers, MOSAIC provides a highly configurable opportunity that addresses specific customer needs and capability to roll out large-scale deployments across multiple markets. For Open RAN vendors, CommScope's MOSAIC solution offers a unique opportunity for Open RAN vendors to introduce MIMO products into their existing networks.
Scott, thanks very much for joining us today.
Thank you.